People, so this is my fifth video of the day, and considering I recited a Kabir Das Doha in my previous video, in this video there's perhaps his most famous ever Doha. It goes something like कल करे सो आज करे सो अब पल में परलय होएगी बहुरी करेगा कब, which basically means what you need to do tomorrow, do it today. What you need to do today, do it now, which is very indicative of my life, about my YouTube recordings. I mean, I should do it right now, because pal mein parle hoegi, you don't know what can happen in seconds, bahuri karega kab, which basically means the things that you plan for your life, when will you get down to doing that if you don't do what needs to be done immediately? So it is, Kabir Das. Oh my God, I'm just in love with all his dohes. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.